Hi guys! Today, I will be sharing with you the guide on how to go to Montserrat Monastery using the public transportation. Montserrat Monastery, or the Benedictine Monastery of Santa Maria de Montserrat, is located 50 kilometers away from Barcelona. But before that, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. From Barcelona, you may take the metro subway and alight to Placa España station. The train going to Montserrat is serviced by FGC Railway, a regional train through the R5 line. Upon exiting the metro station, just follow the signs going to Montserrat. The regional train departs every 20 to 40 minutes and the trip is about an hour. You can buy your tickets at the ticket office or the ticket machines located just before the entrance barrier. There are English-speaking staff who can assist you in purchasing your ticket through the ticket machines. The machine accepts cash or credit cards. We purchased the combination tickets, which include a return train ticket to Montserrat and a return cable car going up the monastery. There are two options to go up to the monastery. Number 1, via the 5-minute ride to the cable car, and number 2, via the 50-minute train ride via the cog or rack railway. Take note of the departure time and platform number. The combination tickets cost €24.50. Remember to keep the ticket with you because you will be using this ticket throughout your journey. The journey starts in this station, so you don't have to worry that you might ride the train going to the opposite direction. It's a free seating train, so if you arrive early, you may choose wherever you want to be seated. If you are riding the cable car and going up to the monastery, you have to get off at the Aire de Montserrat station. If you are riding the cog or rack railway, get off the next station, which is the last station, the Monistrol de Montserrat. To go to the other side, go down the stairs, walk through the underpass tunnel, going towards the cable car station. If you are arriving by car, you can buy your cable car tickets in this station. Take note that the last train leaving for Barcelona is at 7:05 in the evening. If you are arriving by car, there's a parking area just in front of the station. The cable car can accommodate 20 standing passengers. That's it guys, we arrived at the monastery. Please watch out for our other videos about the Montserrat Monastery. Thank you for watching!